How to repair game or verify game files in the EA app. Hi guys, welcome to this EA's video. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can repair game or verify game files in the EA app. So the first step is to launch the EA app on your PC. Once you've launched the app, you go to the home page where you can see a search bar at the top part of the screen, or the right side of the screen. You can see the cart option, and then by the time you scroll down, you'll see different games. So the first step is to install a game if you've not done so. All right, and how do you install the game? You would see different games here, and once you see the one that you can afford, or once you see a free game that you would like to install, just scroll down until you see it and then click on it this way. And then once you've clicked on the game, it will take you to a page where you can see details about the game. Then just click on download. And then once you click on download, the HUD will be calibrated, and then you can now click on next. Once you see the you also satisfied with the location, the language reference, etc. And always click on next to be directed to another page where you can now download this particular game. Now, after downloading the game, you would see the game would appear by the left side of the screen here in this particular space made available. Now, once you've seen this, the next step is to select the game whose games files you would like to verify or repair. Now, once you click on the game, a box will be displayed. In the box displayed, select repair game. Okay, select repair game, and once you select that, click OK. And once you do that, it will start repairing automatically. And then once it starts repairing automatically, it can take hours, all right, it take a long time. Just wait patiently, and then just like that, that particular game would be repaired and its games files would be verified. All right, so this is how you can repair games or verify game files on EE. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.